So we are 10,000 plus 5 total 20,000. Our budget.
Identity access management systems. Our existing system is that is single sign.
Our project mainly defines that for secure communication we are using this lightweight authentication key agreement protocol, where the sender sends a message to the receiver using authentication.
Right. There's what about where you can apply this project? Application where you can apply.
It can be applied on SDN and WSN networks. WSN stands for wireless sensor networks, like IoT devices. Where there is less resources available, there we can use our protocol, elegant protocol, for secure communication between two networks.
Who can use this one? So you can develop this application. Who will use?
So any devices that can support IoT devices, then we can use our protocol for secure communication.
Right. What you have developed. What is the
So basically we have registered to user IDs. We are just logging in.
Right. The user has to enter his mail and his password. The user has logged into you can write messages which are encrypted to our application. They ask to select the email to access to them.
Now it will go to our elegant module. Now there we have to send this to create the certificate and give the message. Now the authority will create the certificate. Create a certificate for them. All the certificates created. Now they have to go to the elegant module. Now we can receiver can receive the message.
Right.